Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a birthday cake shake, which is lots of fun and it's pretty colorful. To make this today, we're gonna use our vanilla protein drink mix, which is the base for our shake. We are going to use our French vanilla Formula One shake, and we're going to use a teaspoon of cheesecake sugar-free Jello pudding mix. And for the top, or for the decorations and the toppings, we have some just rainbow colored sprinkles and whipped cream and a little bit of Hershey's strawberry syrup. All right, so, oh, and also we have 3/4 of a cup of water and 2 cups of ice as usual. And I'm gonna put all this in the blender and get it all mixed up. Okay, we got that all mixed up. And we have that soft serve ice cream texture in here. Remember, the key to that texture is time in the blender. Be patient and let it keep blending until it's nice and smooth and soft. Now, what we're gonna do is, the first thing I'm gonna do is take some of these sprinkles and I'm gonna stir them through the shake. I don't wanna blend them because I don't wanna break them up and have them all mix in, but I do want to be able to see them around the sides. And in our cup, now you guys, when I'm staying at home, I just use a glass. You can do the same thing with the glass. We have some to-go cups because they're convenient, but usually I use a glass. But just on the side of the cup, oh, oops, okay, in the bottom of the cup, I guess, put a little bit of whipped cream. Again, I'm gonna put a few sprinkles in here along the sides. And now I'm gonna pour this in. And